Hey, I'm Phil Heimlich. We call this the radical middle. You might remember a week ago I did a podcast in which I explained that the Trump administration appeared to be refusing a judge's order. Okay, what happened was that if you recall that our government arrested a bunch of these Venezuelans and put them on a plane and sent them to El Salvador, not Venezuela where they're from, but El Salvador, and basically we're paying the head of El Salvador to lock these people up. Now, these guys never got a hearing. They never had a chance to prove that they're not gang members. They were just put on a plane and sent away. So the judge in this case said that's unconstitutional. We don't do that in this country. And they ordered the Trump administration to turn the planes around, which it looks like the government refused to do. I know a bunch of you were upset with my position supporting the judge's order. And your attitude was this judge has no right to interfere with who the president wants to deport. But with all due respect, you're missing the point. The issue isn't whether the judge is right or Trump is right. The issue is, are we going to obey court orders? Let's say somebody breaks in your house and gets sentenced to 5 years in jail. Should that guy have the right to determine whether or not he goes to prison? Our whole system depends on obeying the courts, whether we agree with them or not. And if we don't obey court orders, we're really not a democracy anymore. Do you know they have courts and judges in Russia? But the court does exactly what the dictator wants. Is that the kind of country that you'd like to have? I'm Phil Heimlich, and this is the Radical Middle.